Have you ever worked really hard on something while other people laughed at you and said you couldn't do it? That's what happened to a man named Nehemiah. Welcome to my Zosie Stories. Today we're going to hear about a faithful man named Nehemiah who trusted God and helped rebuild the walls of Jerusalem. Even when people tried to stop him, he never gave up. Long ago, in a beautiful palace far away, lived a man named Nehemiah. He had a very important job in the kingdom of Persia. He was the cupbearer for King Artaxerxes. Every day, Nehemiah made sure the king always had a refreshing drink and felt safe in his grand golden home. One day, he heard some sad news. The walls around Jerusalem, his home, were broken down, and the city gates had been burned with fire. Nehemiah's heart felt heavy. He loved Jerusalem and wanted the people there to be safe. He sat down and talked to God. He prayed for many days, asking for a way to help his people. He knew that even though he was far away, God was listening. When Nehemiah went back to work, King Artaxerxes noticed he looked unhappy.
"Why are you sad, Nehemiah?"
the king asked. Nehemiah took a deep breath and told the king about the broken walls.
"May I go back and rebuild them?"
he asked bravely.
"Yes, you may go."
Nehemiah travelled a long way to Jerusalem. At night, when the moon was high, he went out with a young boy named Ari to see the damage. They saw piles of heavy rocks and scorched wood. "It looks like a very big job," Ari whispered. Nehemiah looked at the ruins and said,
"Do not worry, Ari. We can do this together."
Then he gathered the people and said,
"Let's rebuild the wall of Jerusalem."
The people were excited and got to work. They carried heavy stones, repaired broken sections, and worked together as one team. But not everyone was happy about it. Some men named Sanballat and Tobiah laughed at them and made fun of their work. They said, "What are these people doing? Even a fox climbing on their wall would break it down." Those words could have made the builders feel discouraged, but Nehemiah didn't give up. Instead, he prayed to God and kept working. Soon, the enemies became angry and tried to frighten the people. So Nehemiah made a plan. Some workers built the wall, while others stood guard. Many of the builders carried their tools in one hand and a weapon in the other, so they could stay safe. Day after day, they worked hard. They trusted God to protect them and give them strength. And do you know what happened? The wall was completed in just 52 days. It was an amazing accomplishment. When the enemies saw that the wall was finished, they realized that God had helped his people do something great. Nehemiah and the people were filled with joy because they had trusted God and finished the work he had given them to do. Now let me ask you something. What would you do? If someone laughed at you for doing the right thing, would you give up? Or would you keep trusting God and doing your best like Nehemiah? Stack some books as high as you can to make a prayer wall, saying one thing you're thankful for with each book. Thanks for listening to today's story. But guess what? There are more adventures, more surprises, and more moments where God does the impossible, and you won't want to miss them. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and get ready for the next story.